Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Pinterest account public. If your Pinterest profile is private and you want more visibility, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that you want to make public. Once the app is fully loaded, we can move to the next step. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Tap on it to open your profile page. This is where all your account information and settings start. After opening your profile, move to the top left side of the screen. Here you'll see another profile icon. Tap on it to open profile settings. This section gives you access to important account options. Now scroll slightly and find the option called Profile Visibility. Tap on it to control who can see your Pinterest account. This option is used to switch between private and public profiles. Here you'll see the Private Profile toggle button. If this toggle is on, your account is private and hidden from others. Simply turn this button off to make your Pinterest account public. So that's how you can easily make your Pinterest account public in just a few steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials. Also, comment below if you have any questions or need help with Pinterest settings.